Do you want to know how to set up, configure, and use BitLocker on Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. BitLocker is a security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your computer and prevents unauthorized access. A lot of beginners and even some hardcore Windows users are unaware of the fact that you can set up, configure, and use BitLocker on their Windows computer. In this video, we will show you how you can do the same. Let's get started. Method 1. Use BitLocker on Windows 11 Home. To configure BitLocker on your system, follow the prescribed steps. Open Windows Settings by searching it out of the Start menu or by Win+I. Go to Privacy and Security from the top right corner of the window. Click on Device Encryption. Now, use the toggle to enable the feature. Click on the BitLocker Drive Encryption button from the Related section. Go to the Operating System drive and click on Back up your recovery key. Finally, save the BitLocker recovery key somewhere on your computer and make sure to note the path address. If the Microsoft Store or redirect opens, close it and instead open Control Panel. Press Win+A, then type Control Panel, then press Enter. See the view by to category. Then go to System and Security, then BitLocker Drive Encryption. Now you will see a list of all drives. The operating system drive is usually C:. Click Turn on BitLocker or Manage BitLocker next to the C drive. Once you select the OS drive, you will be prompted to back up your recovery key. Choose one of the options, save to a file, print the recovery key, or save to your Microsoft account. Save the recovery key in a secure location and note the exact path. As mentioned earlier, Windows 11 Home has device encryption, which lacks some advanced features of BitLocker. Another thing to note here, this feature is not available on all the devices. If you are not able to see device encryption, then this could mean that your computer is not compatible. After this, we have provided a method to check whether your device supports BitLocker. Do check that out. To disable BitLocker on your Windows 11 Home computer, follow the prescribed steps. Launch Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select Device Encryption. Disable the toggle for device encryption. This way, BitLocker will be disabled and the decryption process will begin. Method 2. Use BitLocker on Windows 11 Pro. Launch Settings, go to System, then open Storage. Navigate to the Storage Management section and then click on the Advanced Storage section. Go to Disk and Volume. Go to the drive and then to Partition. You want to encrypt and then click on Properties. Click on Turn on BitLocker. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up BitLocker depending on your preferences. After restarting your system, BitLocker will be enabled. Hopefully, this will do the job for you. In case you feel like there is no need to encrypt your data and BitLocker is not needed, just follow the on-screen instructions to disable BitLocker on your system. Open Control Panel from the Start menu. Go to System and Security, then BitLocker Drive Encryption. From the Operating System drive, click on Turn off BitLocker. BitLocker will be disabled on your computer. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.